I'm Shannon from YogaTonic UK and welcome to Desk Yoga. These stretches are designed to make the most out of the wellness benefits of your standing desk from sitstand.com. So I'm going to focus today on just tight hips and legs. So by sitting for a while, even just by standing, so we're going to lift the desk up. This gives us an opportunity to really open up the hips. We can use the desk just as a gentle balancing, because I'm going to take my chair back and use my right knee, so lift up right knee and just make knee circles. So I'm just circling maybe 5 times in one direction and then 5 times in the other. So I'm just trying to find a little bit more movement in my hips as I'm standing at my desk. And we'll do the other side. So the left knee raises, making circles with the left knee. And then reverse. Just doing 5 times on each side. So also we have an option of doing a more static pose. So it's more of a hip and a glute stretch. So I'm just going to take my right knee up and start to bend my left knee. I can also use the desk for balance. I'm going to place my right ankle onto my left knee and start to sit down a little more. So just holding onto the desk and sitting down, just stretching, maybe leaning forward until we feel a stretch in the outer hip. Standing back up and doing the other side. Lifting up left leg, placing left ankle onto right knee, bending down. Maybe bending forward. And we want to breathe throughout these poses as well. Standing back up. Thank you for watching. You can view more desk yoga videos on sitstand.com TV or at YogaTonicUK.com. Thank you.